Hello YouTube. We just got power back on at 8:30 p.m. Also we have lost power from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. So that's like what? Let's count. 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. No, oops, 8 o'clock. So that's like pretty much so like 12 hours of no power. That we were stuck. Well, I was at school for half the day, and then we didn't have power for 12 hours. So I just tap with my fingers. You know how you tap with your finger? 1, 2, 3, and you just tap. Wait, 1, 2, 3, and you know how to do that, right? Well, we have lost power for like 12 hours. That's not fine. And also, and people are saying that they're seeing tornadoes here, across Okada, and Okada areas, and you know those type of areas, and you know, seem like a tornado. Well, this tornado was a test down. It was sort of like swinging around the doors, and it was like, you know, my mom said like flying winds and stuff. And so yeah. Let's see here. We have power now. We've been have power for 6 minutes ago. For 6 minutes now. So I'm uploading my video. And the tower said like, I'm not using the digital thing for now. Because I'm too lazy to upload my digital. You know, I'm just lazy. And so yeah. And also I wanted to ask you guys how was your Easter, and so yeah, my Easter was excellent. Kelly was over here, and everybody was over here, and everything went fine. And you know, they all had the Easter egg card, and so yeah, it was pretty interesting, you know. And also later on in this week, tomorrow or so or tonight, I'm gonna show you some pictures. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures later on this week or tonight or whatever, and show you the pictures. That's all I want to talk about. If you guys have any type of question, please leave a comment or just PM me. Thank you. Bye. See ya.